Hi my loves, welcome back. So yes, I have one of the most beautiful bags I've seen to show you. So in today's video, it's a bit of a collective luxury haul and I can't wait to show you some of the new pieces that I got. So if you are new to my channel, hello, I am Mel. I would love if you join the fam. So just hit the red subscribe button and don't forget to click that bell so you're notified each time I upload. So we're gonna get right into the haul. So first up, no surprise here, I'm wearing it and you would know that I have loved this brand for ages. It's an Australian brand. I'm a proud Aussie. They've been around for years and yes, it is from Zimmermann. And this blouse here, which is like a paisley blouse, I've always said that I love florals, I love paisley. This is a new season Zimmermann piece and I actually own this blouse. I think I've got it in like 4 or 5 different colorways. However, when I saw this blue, teal probably kind of colorway, I was like, yes, yes, and yes. I know that this blouse fits me really well. It is so versatile, it's linen, so it was a no-brainer for me to get it. For those of you that haven't tried Zimmermann blouses, I highly recommend them. And this blouse is in like their resort collection, which tends to be a little bit less expensive than their main sort of ready to wear collection. So because I love the blouse so much, they don't always do this, but they had the matching shorts. So again, I do own these shorts in a different style. So I had to get them as well because I can wear them as a set like this, or I can wear them separate. I often wear, my Zimmermann blouses just with denim shorts, but again, these shorts are just stunning on its own, so I could just pair it with like a simple blouse to go with the shorts. So these two pieces, again, I did pick up from Farfetch. And you guys know I have been working with Farfetch for probably nearly 5 years now and shopping with them for like over 10 years. So thank you so much to Farfetch for partnering with me on this video. Farfetch is always my go-to because I can get pieces that I love there, discover new brands, shop pre-owned, and also because I join up to their rewards program, I'm often, like I just got emailed that I've got my birthday reward. So I love their Access Rewards program because you get notified of like pre-sales, special discounts. And because I'm on the highest tier, the private client tier, I get like a personal stylist that often emails me. More on that story a little bit later. But this, highly recommend. So you would have seen from a couple of videos ago, I wore this gorgeous dress. And I did get a couple of comments from you guys asking me, where is it from? So yes, it is from Zimmermann as well. And a wrap dress is always so flattering. I will list the sizes I got down the bottom, but I find that Zimmermann runs pretty true to size. I'm usually a size 1, which is between an Australian 8 to 10 or US 4 to 6. So this peach dress, floral, again, no surprise there. But yeah, I like picking, they've got such a great variety of product and in different colorways. So peach, I actually don't own a peach dress. This is when I unboxed my special Hermes bag. If you didn't see that video, I'll link it above. But this is perfect for, well, in Australia, we are in spring now. But again, I wear this for fall. You could wear this dress with boots. It would look beautiful as well. So just very versatile pieces. And I like that, a lot of their fabrics that they use are linen and natural materials. Okay, next up is another dress. And I'm a real dress girl. Besides being an earring girl, I love my dresses. Again, this is another brand I love, and it is from Self Portrait. And it is this gorgeous, classy, black and white polka dot dress. So if you saw my Munich vlog, if you haven't watched my travel series, again, I will link them down below. But in one of the Munich department stores, I tried on this polka dot black and white dress, but it was too big. So when I saw this on Farfetch, I love Self Portrait. I really like the pleats, and I love that the bottom of the dress, there's lace detail. Again, no surprise, Mel loves lace. And it's just very, very flattering. It's like sort of like a midi length, and I love this sort of crossover detail here, and also polka dots never go out of style. So I think that is gorgeous. And as you can see me wearing here, I mean, I've still got the tag on because I am usually a 10 in this, and it fits great, but I'm thinking, do I need to size up? I don't pay too much attention to the sizes. If I'm a 12, I'm a 12. The most important thing is the fit is right. So again, I like Self-Portrait, brands like Self-Portrait and Zimmermann, because the prices that I look for in Zimmermann tend to be more around like the $500 to $800 price point. Still expensive, but Self-Portrait is, oh, the sleeve is in there. Self-Portrait is around that price point too, probably a little bit cheaper. So I just love their fit. I love the quality of the materials and the quality of the zippers. So anyway, love this dress. So that is another new piece in my wardrobe. So the next few items are actually little things that I got for the family. And when I was checking through Farfetch, hubby's actually started shopping at Farfetch, and he's like, oh, I need a really sort of sleek backpack. I'm like, okay, let's have a look. Actually, we were having a look together, and he found this, and I've never heard of this brand. And it's this backpack here. It's from Rains, and it is waterproof, which was his first requirement. Secondly, he wanted it to be a little bit more sleek. You know how sometimes backpacks can look very bulky and not as cool or fashionable? I think he picked a great one. I mean, it still has all the features that you need in a backpack, really sort of durable zippers, and it's still got compartments. This actually expands out quite big. So it's got a pocket in there. It's got the front compartment, which you need lots of pockets in a backpack. And it was just very sleek in this gorgeous gray material. So if your partner loves backpacks, I mean, it's a great unisex backpack too. Just really clean and super durable. I think this is really nice. And I can imagine that next time we go traveling, this will be very, very useful. Sunshine saw this as well, and he's like, I might take this with me. Sunshine is going to Japan. I'm really jealous, with a couple of his best mates. So, you know, you always need a backpack for traveling, and he's like, I might even steal this from daddy. Next is a bag that I've been using a lot, but I didn't purchase this one for me. As you know, September is my birthday month. Happy birthday to all the September babies. Mine is coming up very soon. But my sister's is also in September, and she really wanted a Marc Jacobs tote bag. And the one that I got her, so I asked her, you know, pick which one you want. And of course I found it on Farfetch, but it is the medium size Marc Jacobs tote bag. I actually own one too. Let me just show you. So the one I have, this is my medium size one. It's in the leather, and it's in this gorgeous sort of pale pink, peachy pink, I would say. And yeah, I love this. So her requirements was one, it needs to fit her 13-inch laptop, which this one does. If you've been wondering what size to get in the Marc Jacobs tote, I've actually done an in-depth comparison, which I'll link above. I've done a comparison of all sizes. And the only thing is, Marc Jacobs keeps changing the tote bag's name, but the medium's still the medium, large is still the large, so large, medium, and then now it's small. So the small previously was called the mini, and then the mini before was called the micro. So the comparison's exactly the same, just know that the first two bag sizes, they've just changed the name. But same bags. I love this. Very, very good price point. So the one that I got my sister was actually in the jacquard. And when I got it, I really liked it. I might even get it in the large size. And yeah, it's got the piping. I'll show a little clip of me giving it to her. She absolutely loved it. And then her daughter wanted to steal it from her because it's black and white, very classy, and it just looks really, really good. So that's what I got her for her birthday. Next up is a little something for Miss S. Miss S loves her sneakers. So yeah, Farfetch isn't just for luxury. They actually have a whole section called Stadium Goods. So if you're a real sneakerhead, you can find some really hard to get sneakers from there. The ones that she picked weren't super exclusive, but they're classic, and I totally get why she picked it. So yes, I got her some Air Jordans, and let me show you. So these are the classic Air Jordan Panda sneakers. Panda because it is black and white, and it comes in two variations, this low version and also has a high top, but she just wanted this classic version. And yeah, she's got white sneakers, black sneakers, but not black and white. And I thought this was a great pick for her. And you know, when I was looking it up on Farfetch, it's like trending. So I think these suit anyone. So if you've got a teenager, I think that they will love these. So yeah, I think there's always something for everyone on there. I'm gonna get her to try it on, but she's been dying to wear them. I think she's gonna wear them tonight when she goes out with her friends. But yeah, just classic. We know Air Jordans are really comfortable and they're durable, and so she finds these really comfortable. And of course, we can't leave out Sunshine. Sunshine saw Miss S picking a pair of sneakers, and he's like, oh, can I get a pair of sneakers too? And I'm like, yes, of course. But I said, just don't pick white because he's got so many white. And it's from New Balance. New Balance is super comfortable. He owns a couple of pairs of sneakers already. Hubby actually owns a few New Balance as well. But we ended up going for something a bit more chunky for him. And it's still predominantly light based. They're just these New Balance sneakers. I'll leave the link to them down below. But what I liked about these ones is that they're a little bit more retro inspired. Can you kind of see? I liked that he picked this colorway too. You probably can't tell, but it's sort of cream and it's got a little bit of gray and this very, very light pink suede. So a mix of materials, super chunky heel like this, but you know what? It actually suits him really well. And he said that they're really comfortable. So not as sleek, but I love that he chose something a little bit different. That's why I was saying there's so many sneaker options. I might need to get more sneakers too, because yeah, you kind of just live in them when you're traveling, aren't you? So those are for Sunshine. Next is something super special for Sunshine. Hubby and I have been wanting to get this for him because he recently hit a very big work milestone. Yes, I can't believe sometimes he's still working now. So he's definitely been, you know, influenced by hubby, and we decided to get him a watch to celebrate this big milestone. So I am going to get him to model it. He's already wearing it. It was so cute. Him and hubby went on like a father-son date and they picked it out together. It is from Seiko. Hubby loves Seiko. Seiko are really, really good price point watches. They're a Japanese brand. I think hubby's first watch that I bought him was also a Seiko, and it is a diving watch. And it's a classic diving watch that was inspired by the first diving watch. Is that right, Hubs?
Yeah, the first Seiko diving watch.
I just saw Hubs with their first diving watch. And it's just really classic. It's very durable. And so he can wear it to the gym. He can wear it for work. It's just such a versatile piece. So I'll put some B-roll of him wearing it, but he was so, so happy when he got it. He was like proudly showing it. And so I think Seiko is just really good. If you are entering the watch market, don't think Seiko. Sometimes I think Seiko gets a bad name. You think, oh, maybe it's a bit cheapy. It's actually really, really good quality. And hubby's nodding his head, isn't he?
I love it.
Oh, it's a handsome watch. Do you like it, Sunshine?
I love it. Look at that. It's so nice.
You know what? It actually looks like my Submariner a little bit, doesn't it?
A little bit. I like mine better though.
I really like your watch. So what does it mean when you see it every time?
It means good job to me.
Good job. Well done, Sunshine. Well done.
Sunshine.
And a big thank you to my parents.
Oh, thanks.
Our pleasure. Yeah, so hubby really loves it. So we are just happy that Sunshine loves it so much, and that was just something special to him, and it's always got that memory associated. So in future he's like, oh, my parents got me this when I celebrated my big work milestone, and we're just super proud of him. And yeah, that's just something we got for him. And then the last item. Wow, my goodness. Let me just show you and I'll go through the story. So it's in this bag here. It's new to me, and it is dun dun dun. Ah! My goodness. So guys, this is a limited edition mini Lady Dior, and it is embellished with all pearls. I mean, every single inch bar the bottom is covered in pearls. Even the Dior charms are all in pearls. Now you would know from a few months ago, I did a Dior haul and I missed out on a Pearl Lady Dior. It was in the small size and it was around, I think 15 or 15 and a half thousand Australian dollars, and it didn't even have this amount of pearls on it. So I don't believe this came, well, it didn't come to my local boutique, and if Australia got this, which I'm not even sure it did, there would have been maybe like 1 or 2 pieces. So how I came about this. So because I said I am a private client on Farfetch, what the stylist always like does a curated selection, and which she emails me on things that she thinks I might like. And I opened up one of her emails and this was on there, but it was on their pre-owned section. So I love shopping on their pre-owned section because you can find rare pieces or pre-loved pieces at such great prices. It is in excellent condition. It is from like a Japanese store that I bought from before a few times. I've actually bought a lot of designer items from Farfetch pre-owned, like nice Celine bags. I've got pre-loved Dior before. Like they've got pre-loved Chanel, Louis Vuitton, like all the different brands, but you need to do a little bit of hunting. But the thrill is in the hunt, and I love that. So I only discovered that because she had emailed me the list, and it was so good because this bag, it was still really expensive, but it was much cheaper than retail. Plus, it's so exclusive. And also, as you know, because I do work with Farfetch, I had saved up, some of my vouchers, and I used it on this bag, and so I saved a few thousand off retail. It was still quite, I think it was like maybe around 8,000 Australian dollars. So still really expensive. But now with Dior's price increase, a plain mini lady Dior bag costs even more than that. But this is beautiful. But one reason why it was also discounted was, even though it did come with the Dior dust bag, it is missing the strap. But I made an exception because you can order this strap. And so inside, let me just show you, it is all in suede. So the mini Lady Dior is quite small, but it still fits, my iPhone in it. But yes, I can order a strap from Dior because this colorway, which is in their latte colorway, is like one of their classic colors. So, I can live with that. And if worst comes to worst, you can always add a beautiful champagne gold strap on. I just thought it was so special. I love my pearls. And isn't it gorgeous? Is this not, one of the most beautiful bags you've seen? I'm a bit partial to pearls. I have a Chanel one, the famous Chanel pearl bag that to this day is so coveted. I actually tried to find this online. I found it from one consignment store, but it was like 18,000 US dollars. So it makes this seem like such a good find. And thank you to my stylist. So yeah, another reason why I love shopping from them. So this bag here, I actually do own one other mini lady Dior, and I wanted to show you, but this version is in suede. So as you can see, same, but different. And yeah, I'm just so wrapped with it. Sometimes when you do miss out on things like my other small lady Dior and pearls, which I missed out on, things like this come up, and yeah, it's just beautiful. So beautiful. What do you guys think? Do you think she's worth it? I think she's so worth it. So yeah, I love shopping pre-loved too, and especially since it's from like one of the most well-known Japanese consignment stores. But I love it. I think it's so gorgeous, so classy, and that is my final reveal. So that is it, guys. That is my collective haul. A few things for the fam, my sisters, some new in clothing pieces, and of course, this gorgeous Dior bag, which I'm so in love with. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I will list everything that I mentioned down below. And yeah, definitely do check Farfetch out for everything. Actually, they sell so much. I love that they have so many brands available. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.